With the opening of Bois Lake just around the corner, we want to share some tips for you and your family to make your visits in the future safe, fun, and enjoyable. We have 3 boat ramps for your recreational use. The North Boat Ramp, the South Boat Ramp, and the boat ramp at FM 897. We designed our parking spaces at the boat ramps for average anticipated use. Each boat ramp has approximately 50 parking spaces. With the initial opening of Bois Lake, we know that parking spaces make the luck. Please be courteous to your fellow boaters. The latest status on our boat ramps is available on our website. Bois Lake offers a variety of recreational opportunities, including boating, hunting, and fishing. We've partnered with Texas Parks and Wildlife and the Fannin County Sheriff's Office to ensure public safety and manage recreation opportunities on the lake. Visit the Texas Parks and Wildlife website for the latest boater safety and hunting and fishing regulations. If you have a life-threatening emergency while on the lake, please call or text 911. We're excited to open the lake for recreation, and we can't wait for you to experience everything Bois Lake has to offer.